Hi children, in this lesson we are going to discuss about nose. Lesson prepared by M. Kavita, ZPHS Girls Medchal District, Telangana.
As compared to other animals, human beings use the sense of smell in much limited manner. Let us know how nose helps in sensing the smell and odor. Sense of smell helps to identify the young ones and identify foods and protect themselves from other animals. In some situations, smell serves as a protective function. With smell, we can identify the spoiled food and which food is suitable to eat. Humans use the sense of smell in connection with taste to locate and identify foods, avoid spoiled foods, etc. If we have any problems related to nose, we should consult ENT doctor.
Nose is the prominent structure between the eyes that serves as the entrance to the respiratory tract and contains the olfactory organ. It provides air for respiration, serves the sense of smell, conditions the air by filtering, warming, and moisturizing it, and cleans itself of foreign debris extracted from inhalations. Look at the picture, children. The external nose consists of paired nasal bones and upper and lower lateral cartilages, two nostrils, and nasal cavity. Internally, the nasal septum divides the nasal cavity into a right and left side.
Internal structure of nose. Look at the picture, children. Our external nose has two nostrils. They lead to the nasal cavity, and nasal septum divides the nasal cavity into two halves, right and left nasal cavities. This nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane and small hairs. Apart from these hairs, olfactory receptors are present in the mucous membrane. These are highly sensitive to chemical odors. Let us know how we get smell sensation. Look at the flow diagram, children. First, odor chemicals interact with receptor proteins associated with specialized nerve cells. These nerve cells come in direct contact with outside environment. Next, we know olfactory receptors are present in the mucous membrane. The receptors cells of nose transform information about the stimulus into nerve signals. These nerve signals are sent to brain through the olfactory nerves. Next, conveyed to the brain smell centers. Next, sensation of smell are initially processed and then passed on to many other parts of the brain. In this way, we get smell sensation. We should take proper care for our nose. Cover your nose if you are in the dusty or stinky area. Keep your nose clean. Use clean and soft cloth to clean it. Avoid blowing your nose hard when you have colds to prevent nose bleeding. Children, let us learn about another sense organ, tongue, in the next lesson.